Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize your YouTube channel for more views, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by defining your channel's niche. Choose a specific topic that you are passionate about and that has an audience. Research popular channels within that niche. Identify what makes them successful and take notes on their strategies. Next, create a compelling channel name. Ensure it reflects your niche and is easy to remember and spell. Focus on designing an eye-catching channel banner. Make sure it clearly represents your brand and provides essential information. Write an engaging channel description. Include relevant keywords related to your niche for better searchability. Create a content schedule and stick to it. Consistency will help you build a loyal audience over time. Invest time in producing high-quality thumbnails. Thumbnails should be visually appealing and relevant to the video content. Optimize your video titles with keywords. Use clear and concise language to grab viewers' attention. Always include detailed video descriptions. Incorporate additional keywords and provide an outline of the video's content. Utilize tags for better search optimization. Choose tags that are closely related to your video content. Engage with your audience through comments. Responding to feedback and questions fosters a sense of community. Consider creating playlists for your videos. This will keep viewers on your channel longer and improve watch time. Promote your videos on social media platforms. Share links and create posts that drive traffic back to your channel. Collaborate with other YouTube creators in your niche. This can introduce your channel to new audiences. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.